universities and all high schools here in KZN. President, we also want to report to you that already in Parliament, we have written to the Minister of Basic Education and the Minister of Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities to say to them, there must be no child kaNazareth okundiswa inwele ngenkani esikoleni. That must come to an end. It must be declared illegally in South Africa. We want to also celebrate the 10th of March, imini yokusungulwa kweBandla, and no one must victimize anyone for their traditional belief. President, we also visited the township of Spingo. In the township of Spingo, maninzi ama-factory